Oliver loved Christmas more than any other day of the year. He adored the twinkling lights, the joyful jingle of songs, and the sweet smell of cookies baking in the kitchen. But what Oliver loved most of all was helping others. It made his heart feel warm and fuzzy, just like his favorite sweater. One snowy night, Oliver had the most wonderful dream. He found himself at Santa's magical gift factory, a bustling place where happy elves were busy packing toys for children all over the world. Santa Claus himself, with his kind eyes and big, friendly smile, turned to Oliver and said, "Oliver, the true magic of Christmas grows whenever children help with kind hearts." Eager to help, Oliver joined the elves. He worked very carefully, wrapping presents in shiny paper and tying beautiful, colorful ribbons. At one point, a little elf accidentally dropped a big box of toys, and they scattered all over the floor. Without a second thought, Oliver rushed over to help pick them up. As he did, the whole factory seemed to glow even brighter with every single good deed. It was like the kindness was powering the Christmas lights. The next morning, when Oliver went to kindergarten, he remembered his dream. His class was doing something very special. They were collecting warm clothes for animals who might be cold during the winter. Oliver and his friends enthusiastically packed soft scarves and cozy blankets for polar bears, penguins, and other animals who needed a little extra warmth. Looking at all the packed boxes, everyone felt so proud and happy. Later that day, back at home, Oliver noticed his mum looked a little tired from all the holiday preparations. Remembering Santa's words, he decided to help without even being asked. He quietly cleaned up all his toys, putting each one back in its proper place. Then he helped decorate the Christmas tree, carefully hanging the sparkling ornaments on the branches. His mum saw what he was doing, and her tired face broke into a huge smile. She gave him the biggest, warmest hug. That evening, just as the family was settling down, something unexpected happened. A mysterious box appeared on their doorstep. There was no name on it, just a simple tag. Curious, they opened it up. Inside were delicious homemade cookies and a little note. The note said, "Thank you for being so kind." Oliver's eyes widened. He finally understood. The kindness he had shared all day was coming right back to him. It was a wonderful, magical circle. As the snow fell softly outside his window, covering the world in a beautiful white blanket, Oliver whispered to himself, "This is the real magic of Christmas." And with a happy heart full of joy, Oliver snuggled into his bed, ready to dream of all the new ways he could spread kindness tomorrow. Thanks for watching our story. We hope it inspires you to share a little kindness this holiday season. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more heartwarming stories. Merry Christmas